I guide you to upload YouTube shorts from mobile. For that, let's open YouTube. After that, you need to tap on your view profile. There you need to tap on your view channel. From that, you need to tap on create, which is below manage videos. So here it will give couple of options for creating short or uploading video or for a post. So you need to create short. For that, you need to tap on that. So it will give you the access to the camera and the audio. Do that. And now you need to allow permissions for that. Let's say you need to tap on photos. You need to tap on allow all and next. And I'm tapping on done. And from there it is processing. Tap on tick mark, which is here. From there I can add text, trim video, I can add filters, I can add voice, I can add the stickers also. I can tap on next. From there, it will give you the details for adding, let's say the visibility, location. You can select audience and you can see it's made for kids or it's not for kids. You can tap on age restriction too. And you can go for remixing, allowing, or otherwise you can tap on the comments. You can turn off or on. And after that, you can add your caption, let's say my doggy, and that is my title of that. So if I tap on upload short, that will be uploaded to the YouTube. This is how you can upload YouTube shorts from mobile. Thank you.